Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about Frontier baggage allowance. So let's get started. So when it comes to the free personal item, Frontier Airline allows one free personal item on a board, such as a small bag, purse, a laptop bag, or a diaper bag, with the maximum dimensions of 14 by 18 by 8 inches. And when it comes to the paid cabin bag, a larger cabin bag is allowed but incurs a fee with the maximum dimensions of 24 by 16 by 10 inches and a weight limit of 35 pounds. And when it comes to the pricing for the cabin bags, the cost for carrying a cabin bag ranges from $50 to $100 depending on when and how it is purchased. For example, if you got it at the airport, during the booking, or via the customer support. And when it comes to the flight information reminder, passengers are encouraged to be aware of pricing options for the carry-on bag. And you can basically go check out their website. You'll be having all the information. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.